So let's start with an easy one. What is the arc sine of -1? Well, what angle gives me a sine of -1? And then make sure I'm looking at the angle between minus pi on 2 and pi on 2. Well, actually, -1 is the sine value, and what the sine curve does. This is where sine is -1. But that would be 3 pi on 2. And I need an angle, if that's my origin, I need an angle between here and here. So the matching angle is actually over here, and it's negative pi on 2. Let's try another. Cos to the -1, same as arc cos of √3 on 2. Well, it's the angle for cos between 0 and pi, which has this as its cosine. So that's our old friend, the 1, 2, √3 triangle. √3 on 2, adjacent on hypotenuse, is this angle, pi on 6. And pi on 6 is the reference angle I want because it's between 0 and pi. Let's try a tan as well. Arc tan of -√3. Well, that again is our 1, 2, √3 triangle. Tan being √3 on 1, opposite on adjacent. My reference angle is pi on 3. But I have a negative sign. Where is tan negative this value? Well, there's two options on my unit circle, right? This is pi on 3. For tan to be negative, I then have to be this one, or this, normally this one, but this one, all right? So normally I would be going for pi minus pi on 3. But arctan by definition is between negative pi on 2 and pi on 2. So I want this angle as a negative. Not 2 pi minus pi on 3, but actually just negative pi on 3.